Alright, so guys, now we are going to show you how to stitch a hidden round neck and what stitch the opening. You understand? As you can see that we have opened the front of the shirt so that we can make a zipper, or we can leave it like that to make the shirt. You understand? So now we are going to show you how to stitch or sew a hidden round neck and open to the finish. You understand? So without wasting my time, let's get it done. So this is the fabric that we are going to use. This is the white fabric, right? This is the wrong path, right? You understand? We have already, if you check my last post, we have already cutted it. You understand? We have showed how to cut it. So this one too is the wrong path. You understand? So now we are going to put the right path. This is the right path on the table like this. You understand? Can you see it? So before we cutted this white part, you understand, we measured here. After cutting it, we measured here. You understand? We measured here. We measured from this place. You understand? To this place. To this place. From this place to this place. That is 9¼ You understand? And we measured the length to be what? 10 inches. You understand? To be more than this one, to be more than where we have opened it, and this one to be more than where we have cutted it. You understand? So that we will be able to stitch it. So now if you measure it, I forgot to measure it. So now if you measure it, that is the what we have gotten right here. This is the the 9¼ right here, and this is the this is the 10 inches. This is the 10 inches right here. You understand? So now I'm in a rush, I'm in a hurry. So now let's get it done. I'm doing the sewing machine thread well so that we can start. So now it's on the table like this, and you put this one on it. You understand? You put this one on it. You put the shirt on it like this. You understand? Then you arrange it. Make sure it has been put on it very well. You understand? So this is how it's gonna be looking. Then you add an office pin. See, this is what we call an office pin. You understand? Then you put one of the office pin on this side so that it doesn't remove it, or it doesn't shake how we have done it. You understand? Then we will bring another one of the office pin. Then you're gonna put it here. Then you're gonna put it here. You understand? Oh God. So now we have done it, right? We have done adding it. So now we are going to stitch it on this place. From this place, you understand, 1/4 inch or something like that. You understand? All through to this place. You understand? Just like I'm drawing it. Just like I'm drawing it. Then we count this down place, or this down part. You understand? Then we'll go up. We'll go up like this, and we'll go up just like we did it the first one. You understand? Then we will turn like this. You understand? We turn like this, and we will come back to the top. You understand? To make it stitch. So we are going to stitch it all around just like I have drawn it for you to see. So without wasting my time, let's get it done. So just watch the way I'm doing it, and you'll be able to understand how to do it. You understand? Now you see it, please stitch it to make the thread hard on the first area, on the first part that you are stitching it from. You understand? You sew it, then you stitch it twice or 3 times to make it hard, the thread hard. Allahu la ilaha illa huwa al-hayyul qayyum la ta'khudhuhu sinatun wa la nawm lahu ma fi as-samawati wa ma fi al-ard ma dha alladhi yashfa'u 'indahu illa bi'idhnihi ya'lamu ma bayna aydihim wa ma khalfahum wa la yuhituna bi shay'in min ilmihi illa bima sha'a وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده وهو العلي العظيم. صدق الله العظيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. آمن الرسول بما أنزل إليه والمؤمنون بالله
وملائكته وكتبه ورسله لا نفرق بين أحد من رسله قالوا سمعنا وأطعنا غفرانك ربنا وإليك المصير لا يكلف الله نفسا إلا وسعها لها ما كسبت وعليها ما اكتسبت ربنا لا تؤاخذنا إن نسينا أو أخطأنا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إصرا كما حملته على الذين من قبلنا ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. Alright, so guys, now we have done stitching it. You understand? Can you see the way it's looking? So now we can open the word, or we can remove the word office pin that we added it to where it belongs, to the steam. You understand? We used to put it on a steam, you understand, or wherever you will put it, and you'll be feeling comfortable with it. You understand? So now guys, after stitching it like this, we are going to cut this side. You see this side? Just watch the way I'm cutting it, you'll be able to understand it. The shoulders, you understand, the excess part of the shoulders. Then we are going to cut this piece. We will not cut this, so just watch the way I'm cutting it. You understand? We are cutting this piece. You don't understand? All around where the round neck was being what? Shaped. So we are shaping it right now to make it open. You understand? Then we will cut the shoulders again. You understand? This one, we will cut the shoulders too. This one, 2 shoulders. So this part, you see this part? You see this part one right here? I'm gonna cut it so that when we remove it, it's gonna remove well. You understand? And this part too, I'm gonna cut it. Let me turn it before you can cut it beautiful. You understand? So now this is what we have right here. So we are going to cut the middle where we will open the front. You understand? So we have already cut it first one, so now we are going to cut the second one, or second time. You understand? Cut it to the second time. Then when we reach here, then we go slightly like this. You understand? We won't make it cut where the thread is being stitched, otherwise it's gonna spoil everything. You understand? So then we go here. You understand? You understand, guys? Can you see it? Then now guys, this place too, I'm gonna cut it. You understand? Then on this place too, I'm gonna cut it from it. You understand? On this place too, you understand, I've already cutted it. So guys, can you see? So you see this place, I've already notched it, right? You understand? So now this is what we are going to do. We are going to turn it, right? We are going to turn it. So to turn it, we are going to first put this one, fold this one inside. You understand? We're going to first fold this one inside. You understand? To make it looks like this. You understand? Then we will fold this one too. This one too, you fold it inside. You understand? You fold it inside. When you stitch it, you will see where you will fold it. You understand? You fold it. You will be folding it. And after you have folded, then you will arrange it, or you make sure you have folded it well. You understand? To get the exact way you want it to be. You understand? So you will insert. We will insert the So guys, we will insert the scissors. You understand? The scissors onto the side. You understand? The corners. You understand? The corners. These corners. You understand? Because we are going to iron it. So we need to insert it there so that it gives us the shape that we want it to be. You understand? Before we come and stitch it on top of it. You understand? So guys, now I have done it like this. So guys, we are going to iron the back like this. We're going to put it on iron table and iron the back like this, and come turn it and iron the front. You understand? To make it the shape that we want it to be. You understand? The shape that we want it to be. So we are going to iron it and make it that ways. Alright, so guys, after ironing it, this is exactly how it's looking. So this is the back. So we are going to turn the front You know, understand? We are going to turn the front. You're going to turn the front. You know, understand? Going to turn the front like this. So guys, this is how it's looking. So we are going to stitch it on top of it all around, just like we did it whilst we were stitching it at first time. You understand? So just what the way I'm doing it, and you'll be able to understand it. You understand? You understand? So just what the way I'm doing it, and you'll be able to understand it. Take your time. We take our time here. You understand? We don't rush. That's why the video is always long. You understand? So we are setting it on top for a 1/4 inch. You understand? So we will sew it first. Let me sew it, then you will come back. You understand? We are stitching it all around. You understand? We are stitching it all around. We are stitching it all around. You understand? So we'll stitch it all around again. So guys, now we have done stitching it all around. So we are going to iron it and to come and show you the results of it. You understand? Alright, so guys, now we have done ironing it. So after ironing it, this is actually how it's looking. So if you like this video, kindly hit the subscribe button, follow, like, comment and share this video. See you in the next video. Hope it's looking stunning, right? Hope it's looking beautiful. So subscribe, follow, like, comment and share for the more videos, for back to back sewing tutorial videos. Love you all. See you in the next videos.